Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Simply for your information. First time if you're watching my channel, please do subscribe and like and share and comment. What do you feel about the video, whether it is informative or not. I'm Manjula here. As I mentioned, please welcome back to my channel. After a long time I'm doing, let's start. Okay. I was looking for a weighing machine, the genuine one, the sturdiness one. When I'm starting my journey back to losing weight and getting back to the fit and fine body. I was searching for the weighing machines online and I did find one. I did couple of searches on many of the online portals, but on the Amazon I was able to finalize and did order a product. The product is here, so I'm going to talk about it and I'll also show you how it is on a real-time basis. I got the product today. Let's go. The product that I ordered from, it is from Vortex Zone. You can see it here, and it's a QuadMart product over here. It did cost me 849 rupees. Approximately you can take it as 850 rupees, which is still worth because it's a digital weighing machine that you have got. And this particular weighing machine, for me, along with the product, they also sent you a thank you note and 100 rupees cashback offer. You can see the coupon over here. I'm not sure till what time you're going to have this offer, but for me, I did get this. So I'm quietly surprised. This is a gift. Okay. And the user manual, the company has sent me this, and they clearly shown step by step what are all the things and features this particular machine has, and with what precision this machine can show the weight, especially for the people who are health conscious and who would want to get back to a healthier life and who are in the journey of losing weight. To what precision they can check their weight and opt is what they have mentioned over here. Since it's an auto on and off machine, you need not to think that I might have forgotten to switch it on or switch it off. So it automatically on and switch offs after 10 seconds from the time that you got on the machine. Okay. So the packaging has come. This is how it did arrive from Amazon for me. It's a neat packaging. I did open it just to make it easy for you guys to understand. And the thing that I liked about this is the careful packaging, because it has a tempered glass in case during the transition, if it is not properly handled, that have high chances that it might get a breakage of the machine and it might not be useful for you. So the packaging is what I did like about this product. So I just show you how it is. So here it is. So I'm opening now. They did careful packaging, and along with the weighing machine you'll also get an inch tape to check and see how many inches of weight or measurement is what you have lost in terms of your waist or even your arm, when you're losing weight. This comes additionally as a helpful product for you along with this product. So here's the thing. So the product is here. As I mentioned, it is a high tempered glass that they have sent. I did opt in black color just to make sure that even if any dirtiness or something which probably might leave a mark on the light color, so I did choose black. And as I mentioned, it will have a battery backside. You can see it here. It's easily manageable. They'll also give batteries along. They did give Panasonic batteries on the same. So I did enable that for the ease. And this is how the product comes, and it is high tempered glass. They also told you how to place the machine on a flat surface for the maximum efficiency. Okay, and now I'll show you how exactly operates. Just for the testing sake, I'm keeping this book. You can see here, the minute I'm pressing on, it is showing the weight over there, whatever pressed or the weight that I did put on this book on the product. The minute I take it off, you can see how efficiently it auto switches off. So it is a highly efficient machine which I did place an order after like 10-15 days of my search, and it is worth that time and effort. So if you're looking for a better weighing machine or a digital one, you can go for it. And I'm gonna share the link on the description box for the same product. If you like the thing, you can also place an order on Amazon. Thank you so much.